Unpacking your TV the correct way makes for a safe and easy install. First, let's open the box. Before getting started, review the quick setup guide. Make sure you have a suitable space to remove your TV and assemble the stand. Next, remove the contents from the top. These may vary based on your model. Then, remove the top styrofoam. Now, pinching the tabs and pulling straight out, remove all the clips along the box. With the help of a friend, remove the two halves of the box, as well as the styrofoam protecting the display. Depending on the model of your television, there may be additional hardware packed alongside the panel. Now you're all set to install your stand.